Hey guys, this is Charlie Nash with his first upload. Well, it's not, it's a different YouTube account. This is my first upload of this account, and today I will be reviewing this toy pistol. Now, it's not like any Nerf pistol, it's just like a one that you pull back. I can't do it with my hands. Just one of those ones where you grab the back and pull it back and then, you know, pull the trigger like that. So, it's reasonably good. I've had it for about 3 years, and today, amazingly, I found these darts, and they actually kind of suit it. So, I tried it. Put the camera down. I tried it, and they actually work pretty well. It is a bit weird looking with it in. Doesn't look much like a pistol, but it reasonably fires quite well. Something that I particularly want to say though is that I do not like the colour. They should have done it all black or all grey. Certainly not blue, and certainly, definitely not orange. But apart from that, it's pretty cool. And I don't recommend it, but I was like 7 when I got this, and I'm 11 now. So yeah, it's a pretty good gun. Next review I will be doing is the Nerf Recon CS6. Thanks for watching, guys. By the way, let me just tell you, this gun is crap at firing. It doesn't fire anywhere. Anyway, thank you for reviewing it. Thank you for watching. Reviewing? Don't know why I said that. And I will be back next time with the CS6, Nerf Recon CS6. Thanks, guys.